Let's export this mesh out and test it in Blender and make sure that we don't have any mistakes. Go into Blender, import your model. We want to add a modifier to it, subdivision surface. Everything looks pretty good. I don't see any errors in anything. The flow looks pretty nice. I don't care for how squared off it is, but we'll fix that later. Other than that, it looks pretty good. One of the things that I want to point out with this model, and you'll run into it a lot, since you're bringing in a game model, these pieces may not be attached. You can see how the lower leg right here just goes up into the upper leg. Well, that won't work for us. So basically what we have to do is we have to bridge these gaps so that we can make it a watertight mesh. Later on, when we get to sculpting and adding detail to this model, we'll go ahead and cut some of that back in. In some ways, some of it looks a little bit weird though. So we'll have to take a look at that and just figure out what we want. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and get started on the arms and the legs.